We got back from a scooter ride. Went around the lake. Went around the campground. We didn't go around the lake. We went around the campground. That's in another video. And I know I already showed our campsite in the other video, but thought I'd show it again. And there's like nobody here. And we went through the whole entire campground, and there is one other camper right now. We know at least one other one is on the way, but for right now there's just one other camper in the campground with us. We saw what, 3 people leave? 182 sites, and a lot of those of course have no electric, but there are 30 and 50 amp, and you can go check our other video for more information on the actual campground. Bit of a cold and windy day. Yesterday it pretty much rained all day long. One person pulled in over there yesterday evening. Saturday now. We pulled in Wednesday. And then we had one pull in over there. That's Mr. Jerry Holly, friend of ours. We've been hanging out with him in the evenings and stuff. It's been really fun to camp with him. If you haven't checked out Jerry's channel, run over there and check out Jerry Holly. I'll put a description in the link so you can find him really easy. Even though it's cold and windy, and yesterday was all rainy, we have been having a fabulous time. And we have been loving this spot. Seen a lot of wildlife. Enjoyed the beautiful lake view. It's a great campground. Been really quiet. Bathrooms are all locked up. No showers, no flush toilets. They're all closed for the winter. But there's a vault toilet up around the curve there. So we're pretty glad we brought the scooter, because that's made it pretty handy to run up to the restroom and go dump trash. This is the Bagnell Dam overlook. So we wanted to bring Jerry up here and let him check it out. We've been up here a couple times. I have another video on this, but wanted to show you guys what we were doing today. Pretty windy and gloomy. I did not bring my microphone. I did not even bring my Osmo, so if it's a little choppy, so sorry about that. This is the view of the lake. You can see right down there. See where those cars are? That's the dam. You get a really good view up here. It's really pretty. Really windy. Trying to block the wind so it doesn't hurt the ears. I'm gonna actually get down here by the dam. Again, I still don't have a microphone, so it's windy. But there's Bagnell Dam. There's Mr. Jerry Holly. He was getting a picture. And then we saw this sign, which never seen one of those before. And another little section of the lake here. Oh yeah, I ain't jumping off of that. That's like 2 foot down. Well, that's a really small swim beach. It's tiny. But you got some picnic tables and stuff over there. This neat bridge that you can walk across and go over here to this little playground picnic area. This is called, I believe, the Grand Glaze Recreation Area or something like that. And it's in Osage Beach. A nice place to spend the day. Extreme close-ups. Extreme close-up! Extreme close-up! Is there a squirrel? You wanna go for a ride? Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Oops! No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.